Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 5, adjectives. So, what are adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words. They are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Noun, that is the naming words, name of a person, place, animal or thing. And pronouns are the words which are used in place of a noun. So adjectives describes both noun or a pronoun. Now the second point says that they come either before or after a noun. Adjectives, they can come before a noun also, and they can come after a noun also in a sentence. Third point says that adjectives tell us about the color, that is pink, yellow, green, any color, shape, that can be round, oval, etc. Then size, quantity and special qualities of a noun or a pronoun. So adjectives describe these following things. Now examples are, the girl is happy. Now here happy is the adjective which is describing the noun girl. Now second example, Bobby is a kind boy. Now, kind is the adjective which is describing the boy. Neha has a blue umbrella. Now, here we have used adjective blue for the noun umbrella. Now, let's see how adjectives are formed. First of all, by adding y to a noun. Like, if example, sun is given, so we will add n and y to it, making it sunny, which is an adjective. Then second is saying that by dropping e and adding y. For example, if I am saying shade, now in shade the last letter is e, so we will remove it and add y in place of e, making it as shady. Now third point is saying by doubling the last letter and adding y. So now let's suppose if I say fog. So fog is F-O-G. So we will double the last letter, that is G. So F-O-double-G-Y, foggy. Now next is by adding O-U-S to a word. Example, danger. Now danger is changed to adjective dangerous by adding O-U-S. Now the next point is saying by adding F-U-L to a noun. Example, help is changed to helpful by adding FUL. So these are the different ways in which we form adjectives. Now let's move to the comparison of adjectives. Now what is comparison of adjectives? Comparison of adjectives means when we are comparing nouns or pronouns. Okay. Now in comparison of adjectives there are 3 degrees. First one is positive degree, second is comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degree. Now positive degree, it just describes about one noun or a pronoun. It just describes. Example, Dhruv is tall. So here it is describing Dhruv that he is tall. Now comparative degree, it compares two nouns or pronouns. Now in an example, you can see Dhruv is taller than Akhil. So here we are comparing the nouns Dhruv and Akhil. Then third degree is superlative degree, in which we are comparing more than two nouns or pronouns. Example, Dhruv is the tallest among the whole class. So here we are comparing Dhruv to all the classmates that he is the tallest. Now here the rules are given for comparing the adjectives. The first one is by adding ER and EST. Example, thick, thicker, thickest. So we have added ER to the comparative degree and EST to the superlative degree. Now the second rule says add R and ST. Example, large is changed to comparative degree by adding R, and largest is changed to superlative degree by adding ST. Now the third rule says if word ends in consonant plus Y, replace Y to I and add ER and EST. if the word is ending with the letter Y, like happy is ending with Y, and before Y there is a consonant P. So we are replacing Y to I and adding ER in comparative degree, that is happier, and in superlative degree we are changing it into EST. We are just adding EST to happy and removing Y. So happiest. Now fourth point says that if word ends in a single vowel plus consonant, double the last letter before adding ER and EST. Now example, big. Now in big word you can see that the last letter G is consonant, but before G there is a vowel I. So we will double the last letter, that is G, and make the comparative degree bigger, and the superlative degree we will add EST. So biggest. So big, bigger, biggest. Now with some adjectives we add more and most. Now example, now the long words like beautiful, useful, okay, interesting. Now these are long words. So in these words we add more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. Like more beautiful, then most beautiful. More useful, most useful. Now the next rule says that we use as before the adjective and after the adjective, and when we are making the sentence negative we add not so and as. Example, Shilpa is as good as her sister. So here we have used as before the adjective good and after the adjective good. And if we have to add so and as, then Shilpa is not so good as her sister. Now the next rule says that we use so as, which I have already described you. Example, Ram is not so tall as Sham. Now comparing the irregular adjectives. Now the irregular adjectives are those in which we do not add ER, EST, more or most, but they are completely changed. Like bad is changed to worse in comparative degree and worst in superlative degree. Now if good is given, then good is changed to comparative degree in better, and the superlative degree is best. So these are the ways by which we compare the different degrees of adjectives. I hope the chapter is clear to everyone. Okay students, thank you. Bye-bye.